With our license and keys in place, we can now customize the image that will be created. We'll navigate to the Azure Defaults folder. This folder contains the default JSON configuration files that Packer uses to build the machine images for each PAM component. Let's open the Vault JSON file to see how we can customize our Vault image. This file contains all the parameters for the build. You can change the managed image name to give your final image a specific name, and managed image resource group name to specify which resource group it will be stored in. You can also adjust the location and VM size to fit your requirements. Most importantly, this is where the bring your own image concept comes into play. The image publisher, image offer, image SKU, and image version parameters define the base image used for the build. You can replace the default marketplace image values with the details of your own custom or golden image from your Azure Compute Gallery. This allows you to build the Vault on a corporate-approved, pre-hardened image. It's important to note that these settings are component-specific. If you need to customize the image for the CPM, PSM, or other components, you must edit their corresponding JSON files in the same directory. Any changes made in the Vault JSON file only apply to the Vault image.